Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're going to go over our battery disconnect switch. So let's take a look at the switch here. The battery disconnect switch pretty much does exactly what it sounds like. You install this in line with the 12-volt power or ground wire on your battery, whether it's on a car, truck, boat, RV. And what you can do is when you're done with the boat, you can turn this to the off position and it prevents your battery from dying. So this would be the on position and this would be the off position. And what this prevents is as soon as you turn it to the off position down here, which is red, this is going to prevent the battery from draining from anything that draws current. Now the switch itself is pretty easy to install. When you get it, this back panel pops off. There's two terminals here. You'll interrupt either the power or the ground wire, depending on your specific application. And you'll put a ring terminal on each end of the wire, and you'll connect it over here. Now you can see here, there's knockout plates on all four sides. So depending on your application, you can take a pair of pliers and break this out. The cover goes on, and this is the hardware to go ahead and secure the switch closed. And we also include installation instructions that go over a couple different applications, whether you're running two batteries, one battery, whether it's a simple set off or you're putting it in with a circuit breaker panel. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us and we'll be glad to help.